Hi, I'm Dr. Sakira, business psychologist, strategic advisor, and your CEO whisperer. Before we forgive, we have to find what needs to be forgiven. Unforgiveness hides behind busyness. It sounds like I'm fine. It looks like nonstop doing with no peace. You've been productive, but not prosperous in your spirit. And that's the sign of an unidentified block. A lot of times it looks like you just keep doing and doing and doing, but you can't really move forward. I want you to pause a moment and I want you to ask yourself a question. Who has disappointed me that I never addressed? Where did the betrayal turn up and turn into bitterness? Or is there a client, a person, a partner, a spouse, a family member, or even yourself that you're still judging here in your heart? I want you to write that down, whatever surfaces, whoever surfaces. I don't want you to edit it. I don't want you to justify it. I want you to just notice it. Awareness is ownership. So you got to understand you can't fix what you won't own. And ownership, that's power. When you see it on paper, you'll be able to remove the camouflage of justification, of cynicalness, of vengefulness, of revengefulness, and you'll just be able to see it for what it is, a block. What you bring into the light from the darkness is where your healing can start. And I want you to remember this. You can't heal what you won't name. So today, you need to name it so tomorrow you can learn how to release it.